Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky delivered a speech to the Ukraine parliament on Wednesday, October 16. The purpose of the speech was to release the outline for his so-called Ukraine Victory Plan, that had prior to Wednesday had only been shared with a select number of foreign supporters of Ukraine, including the United States. The plan was to be released last week at the Ramstein Group, a group of over 50 nations that have a stake in the war, but that meeting was postponed due to the administration needing to focus on hurricane recovery efforts in the United States due to election year politics. The plan, as had been rumored, does not provide any clear pathway to peace or victory, but it does have some interesting points of what a post-war Ukraine could look like.